We will start our briefing. Come on down, guys.
Guys, dito na! Briefing!
Tama lang sa... Pero magtatay.
Hoy! Hey, boss! Enom! Enom!
Ayan o, araw-araw ito boy, si Mana Kablo.
Dito po tayo. Proceed here. We also have Tagaytay Run Club. Please proceed here. We also have CART. Dito po tayo. Copy ako dito, Run Club.
Tempo si Mono dito.
Nice. Ito. Copy ako dito. Okay, here, guys. Close.
Kasi mamaya pagdating natin sa dulo, may isa tayong kaya sa mga helmets. Ayun. Para enjoy na tayo. And yun, friendly game lang. Walang personal lang. Walang sakitan. Takbo lang. Pero yun lang. Hindi.
Alright, thank you, Jake. Okay. We will start this first, guys. Beijing Atobong. Okay. All the participants, guys. Ready na ba? Nakikinig ba ang participants natin? Here's Atobong. Follow her.
Upakan natin, wala na agad automatic, wala na malinaw. Itong yellow, kung lahat ng dadaan natin, yung daanan lang ng sasakyan. Okay, so let's go!
Okay, guys. Let's go.
Tuwa yung RCO, may nabingwit na maganda. Nabingwit na maganda. Let's go! Maganda, smayan. Siniram nyo yan. Pero pwede naman, ang ginin nyo na to. Ay, sabi.
Grabe naman!
Taas lang ko isa.
Pagpuna namin.
Ayan ko yung patagalan kami ng lipat. Wash out. Wash out. Wash out. Parang napakan eh, no?
Last time ba sumali ka rin?
Let's go, let's go.
Tinawag ko, punta na po tayo dito. Again?
Guys, we will be doing 2 waves long for today. Since we have 9 teams that join, so it's gonna be 5.
Game, pila tayo guys! Pila na guys! James will share the Pila tayo, pila. Okay. Yes, yun. Ingat lang. Tapos yun. Good luck. Ngayon yung mga yung 4 na runners, pila na kayo. First runner lang dito. Go. Okay.
Pinaka-unang tatlong team. Ang buhayin ko.
Okay na yan. Okay na? Ngayon po, sa gilid na tayo ha.
Okay,
First person.
Lions, are you ready? Let's go! Ready, set, go!
let's go, let's go, nice din. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one. Kilid ni Gola. Third runner, pila na.
Be careful, guys.
Let's go. Nice right runner. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Lapit na lang ako, second time, lapit! Lapit! Kahit abulin din nila. Hindi nila kaya abulin. Pwede na po kayo mag-plato ha. Hindi na pa muna nyo.
For my goal! Wait for my goal! Runners ready! Ready, set, go!
Dali, go! Check! Let's go, Dali! Nice one! Ready! Layo! Ready! Lapit! Kaya! Nice! Let's go! Nice one! Go, Rob! Go! Go, Gids! Nice one! Nice! Nice rap! Nice one! That's good! Nice one!
Kasya naman? Kasya naman? Tapos ng Ocean Blitz Series 1, 2, and 3, go! Blitz Series! Thank you so much, everyone! That was good relay. Congratulations to the winner! And yung winner pala, we have a GC from Cafe Agapita. You can claim your prize doon sa cafe right now. Ito, high five! High five!
Ano, kailan tayo takbo? Dapat takbo tayo. Kailangan naman yan.
Then, nasa si Arvin. If.
Tara, picture!
Okay, game. Upo.
Kaya ko, kaya pera.